Have you ever asked for something, and before the other person even answered, you already knew it was going to be a no? Not because they're rude, not because they hate you, but because something in the room just felt off. Here's the truth most people don't realize. People don't say yes to logic. They say yes to how they feel around you. And today I'm going to show you how to change that. Quietly, naturally, without begging, convincing, or forcing anything. The biggest mistake people make when they want a yes is they start selling. They over-explain, they justify, they talk faster, they add reasons nobody asked for. Think about it. When someone is confident, do they explain everything? No. Confidence sounds calm. It sounds grounded. It sounds like someone who's okay either way. The moment you need a yes, your energy leaks desperation. And people feel that instantly. So the first rule is simple. Detach from the outcome. Not in a fake way, not pretending you don't care, but genuinely telling yourself, if this doesn't happen, I'll still be okay. That mindset alone changes how you speak. Here's something nobody tells you. People don't resist requests. They resist pressure. Pressure feels like being cornered, being rushed, being emotionally responsible for your happiness. So instead of pushing your idea, you align it with their world. For example, instead of saying, I really need you to help me with this, you say, I thought of you because this fits what you're already good at. See the difference? One asks for sacrifice. The other feels like recognition. People say yes when it feels like them, not you. This one feels uncomfortable, but it's powerful. After you ask, stop talking. Most people kill their own yes by filling silence with nervous words. Silence creates gravity. It signals confidence. It tells the other person, I respect your decision. And here's the psychology behind it. When you don't rush to fill space, the other person feels trusted. And people tend to rise to that trust. So ask, pause, let them breathe. A lot of people don't say no because they don't want to. They say no because saying yes feels risky. Risky emotionally, risky socially, risky mentally. So your job is to reduce the risk. Instead of asking for a big commitment, ask for a small one. Instead of, can you commit to this fully? Try. Can we try this once and see how it feels? When yes feels reversible, people relax. And relaxed people say yes more often. This part changes everything. People can sense when you're asking because you want their approval, and approval-seeking repels. But when you speak from self-respect, even rejection doesn't lower you. That sounds like, this works for me. I understand if it doesn't for you. I'm clear on what I want, and I'm open to your choice. That energy is rare, and rarity creates value. You don't need to dominate. You don't need to impress. You just need to be rooted in yourself. This is subtle, but powerful. Instead of telling people what to do, invite them to contribute. Ask questions like, what would make this work for you? How would you approach this? When people participate in the decision, their brain emotionally invests. Now it's not your request anymore. It's a shared direction. And people protect what they help create. Let me be clear about something. This isn't manipulation. This isn't control. This is communication done with awareness. If someone truly doesn't want to say yes, respect that. But if you've been getting no's because of nervousness, insecurity, or over-explaining, these shifts change everything. Let's bring it together. Detach from needing the yes. Align your request with their world. Use silence instead of over-talking. Make yes feel safe and reversible. Speak from self-respect, not approval. Invite participation instead of control. This isn't about forcing outcomes. It's about becoming someone people want to say yes to. Here's what I want you to do tonight. Think of one small ask you've been avoiding. Not a big one, something simple. Apply just one of these shifts, and watch how differently the conversation feels. No pressure, no performance, just clarity. We're not trying to win people over. We're learning to show up stronger. And if this helped you even a little, you're already on the right path. Let's improve together.